Hello, Adelphi Rangers. Well, we got it from Target, the Razorcrest Adelphi. So let's take a look. And normally I would look at the ship before I look at the box, but let's take a look here. Look how glorious that is. Adelphi base. There is Carson Teva. Very awesome. So let's start off with the small. We've got the Mandalorian with Grogu in the backseat there. And we've got Jazwares and his Adelphi Rangers flight suit. Very cool. Looks like we have blast effects. Might need a little bit of heat to straighten that out. And then we have flame effects for the engines. When in an atmosphere, I would assume. Wouldn't see much out in outer space, I wouldn't think. Let's nip. There we go. Takes a little bit of muscling. And here we go. Fresh off the factory floor, they say. Not all beat up and smashed up like his old one. That's in 1,000 million pieces. See, this opens, and the top, I believe, there we go. So here we've got the inside. Very cool. Din, Grogu, and a Razorcrest. It goes together like sour cream and chives, or bacon and eggs. It's just, just the right thing. So I'm really glad that we'll have him back in a Razorcrest as opposed to the N1 in the Mandalorian and Grogu movie. Well, thank you for watching, everyone, and may the Force be with you.